Hey guys, back again with another really quick tip. When I bake large cakes, usually larger than 9 inch, this is a 9 by 13, so my 10 inches, my 12 inches, 14 inch, 16 inch cakes, I use a flour nail in the center to make sure that the middle of the cake is baked evenly and properly. So as you can see, I sprayed my pan, I put my nails in, I sprayed my nails. I'm adding my batter right here. They kind of moved around, so I just moved them back in place. I kind of center them. Um, and then I pop it in the oven. I bake all my cakes at 325, and here is the cake out of the oven, nice and cooled. And here I am leveling the top of the cake. And once I lift this up, you'll see how evenly my cake has baked. And because I use the smaller flour nails, you don't have any big holes. Some people use that large heating core. I don't like it because it leaves a really big hole in the cake, so I prefer this method. And you just flip your cake over, release it from the pan, remove your nails, and there you go.